Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the dispenser drawer in your washer. The reason why you might have to do this is because it's broken or damaged, causing it to leak. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this will be the washer that we're using for this demonstration. It's a Kenmore, and keep in mind yours at home might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same technique should still apply. So we're going to take our drawer out here, like so, and then push down on the lever right there and pull the drawer out. So this main piece is what we're replacing now for the drawer. So in order to replace it, we're going to have to take everything out. There's a couple of little pieces that are inside. This comes out like so, and then this lever right here, it's locked into place. So all you have to do is push down on that, and that whole piece pops right up, and you can pull it off. And now this insert comes out as well. And now on the bottom of the drawer here, you'll see there are a few tabs. So now you'll see on the bottom here, we've got a few tabs that lock this into place. So you're going to want to push down on the tab to release the drawer from each tab. And you're going to want to keep some pressure on the back. So I'll just go kind of sit on it like this. Not too much though, so you don't break it. But you're going to push down and you should be able to pop those off and come right out. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement drawer. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put the 3 tabs on the bottom in first, and then it's going to just pivot up and snap everything into place like so. Now we'll just grab our inserts and put those back in, like so. And with our latch here, that just goes straight down and it clips back into place like so. Then we can reinsert our drawer, push it back all the way, make sure the lock catches, push it back in, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.